News outlets are deadline-driven organizations. Deadlines are mandatory. If the newspaper goes to press at midnight and you don't turn in your story until 12:15, your story isn't going to be published in that paper. Meanwhile, something else had to go in place of your story. Now, to get your story ready for deadline, refer to the deadline checklist in your textbook. Is the story accurate, fair, and balanced? Is the writing style the best fit for the story? So what happens if you miss a deadline? Okay, so you're not going to die, but you are going to push back everyone else's deadline. If you don't submit your story on time, your editor and copy editor won't have time to catch mistakes. The design editor will have less time to put the story on the page, which means it might not look as good in the paper as it could have. Most importantly, if your story is really late, it will make the whole newspaper miss deadline, which means it won't be ready to distribute on time and be delivered late to newsstands and subscribers. The newspaper can also incur fines from its printer, as the press operators now have to work overtime.